Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in Blender with the scene loaded. Select the camera in the outliner so you control the right object. Once selected, press numpad 0 to switch the 3D viewport into the camera's perspective. This shows exactly what the camera will capture. Make sure overlays and gizmos are enabled briefly so you can see the camera frame and controls. If you don't have a numpad, use View Right Arrow Cameras, Right Arrow Active Camera, or enable Emulate Numpad in Preferences to replicate that keystroke. Once you're in camera view, use G to grab and move the camera, R to rotate, and G then Z to dolly along the camera axis for frame adjustments. These give direct control over composition. Open the Camera Properties panel to change focal length, sensor size, and depth of field so you can shape perspective and background blur the way a real lens would. If you prefer interactive framing, enable Lock Camera to view in the end panel. This lets you orbit, pan, and zoom while remaining inside the camera's view. To finish, confirm resolution and aspect ratio in Output Properties, then run a quick render preview to verify exposure, composition, and depth of field. Make small camera tweaks as needed. You can keyframe camera transforms for animation by hovering over location or rotation and pressing I. Finally, save your blend file and exported images. If the camera view looks wrong or blank, check the outliner for a hidden camera. Ensure clipping start is not too large or small, and verify view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.